I'm George Ains, President of Wild Birds Unlimited, New Braunfels, Texas. We are a franchise. We're 30 years old, located out of Indianapolis, Indiana as the headquarters. But my wife and I have the franchise for Comal County, Texas. We're brand new. There are other stores in the area, but we have a franchise here. We're very excited about being in New Braunfels. New Braunfels is the second fastest growing city in the U.S. Of a smaller size, and we're excited about that. We think this is a great demographic for us. A lot of our customers are naturalists or master gardeners, and we're excited about that. We're looking forward to learning from them, as well as hopefully teaching some people about wild birds and feeding wild birds. We're very excited to be in New Braunfels and looking forward to doing business here, and also looking forward to being part of the Chamber.